Hey guys, I'm here again back with another video working on my dream home part 5. As you can hear in my voice, I have a little cold, but my brother called me last night and said he's gonna help me pull down the decking today. So I gotta do what I gotta do and keep it pushing. Life goes on, but I'll feel better soon. I like to say blessing and respect to all the support I've been getting. I feel the love, I see that a lot of people have been supporting me and I really appreciate it. Thank you all the subscribers and thank you all the good wishes that been wishing me well on my channel. As I said, today is my day that I'm gonna pull down my decking. Finally, it's overdue. So journey through my day as we move along. I'll show you what's up. Later guys. Hey people, this is how it looks before the decking comes down. I have the support beams and the board. Let's take a look inside. This is the passage. Yeah. Yeah people, the great doggy, the Dr. D. Yeah. Working on my Gmos part 5. Yeah man. The decking before it's pulled down. Yo, taking out all the beams, all the support. And this is how it looks. Yeah man. Work in progress. Giving God thanks as usual. As the decking comes down, I'll show you the progress. Later guys. Coming back. Yeah, this process is a very technical process. You have to know what you're doing, you know? You don't know what you're doing, you're gonna be in problems. You can get hurt. You want to put so much nail in that thing, man? What, man? Say it didn't come on back. No. Separate though. I want a hard hat, man. Well, let me put this on this. I know you do it. You do it, you know?
No, man, put up in a steak, you know?
You done the nail at the hardware store. Coming down nicely though, it's coming down nicely, little by little. Yeah? Yeah? Yes, YouTube, we're about to see one side of the we call this a doggy farm. One side of the farm coming off and reveal this decking, farm part of the decking. Can't wait to see it.
See, 2 inch draw a long time already, you know, or inch on water.
saying that the nails was too long. We have to get some shorter ones next time. Dougie look like he don't want to come down. Why don't you try push it underneath?
Push it.
Yeah. Tough. Guys, it takes a lot of hard work. Lots of hard work to pull down. Lots of strength. Yeah. Start to see a little piece of a reveal of the decking. Of the form, I should say. Yes, dog, you look good, you look good. You look good. Come on, as we progress, I'll show you guys some more later, guys. Yeah, guys. Wow, lots of dust. The first reveal of the decking, the concrete. That's how it looks when it comes down. We have a lot more to go. But it's looking good so far. Looking good, looking good. Gonna pull down these pieces right here. As we progress, I'll show you guys some more. See you guys later. Yeah. See him so. Yeah, guys. It's looking good, it's looking good.
Come now, what are you eating?
As Dougie said, easy to put up, hard to come down. But we doing what we gotta do, you know? Take a look. Yeah man, looking good, Dougie, looking good. One ear to, two more ears to go, Dougie?
Huh?
2 more ears to go to the pull down, right? The passage and the bathroom. Yeah man. For real. Oh, they look good. Next, the bathroom. Basically, we're doing the same thing in the other room as we did in the first room. Taking down the support. Take a quick look, guys. Yeah, man. So far, so good. Lots of dust and it's kind of stuffy right now. Yeah. Yeah, Come on. Like I said, as we progress, I'll show you again. See you guys later. Guys, we're just repeating the same thing we did in the other room, in this room, as I said before. Take a look. All the support shores have been taken out already. Put them in the other room over there. Yeah, man. So the experience for taking down the decking, is it hard or is it easy? How you go?
What?
Is it hard to take down?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. We couldn't take it down myself. A joke. I say that, but with a drop over it. So you go. You have to be an experienced person when you're doing this stuff. Hey guys, I'll show you again later. Guys, it's coming along very nicely, very nicely. I'm very happy. Looking real good. Show this up.
Yeah, push on the stick, yeah. Where do you go away? Yeah. Don't push it. Alright. Push it back.
Watch yourself, you know.
Don't push the stick. You have it this one.
Yeah. See him so. So you drop deck in. Look good.
I'm a deal one then.
Come on.
They can't pull unless you pull me.
Yeah. See him so. Yes, you too. It's looking good. It's looking good. So far, so good. The bathroom here, decking has fallen. And it looks really good. I must say Dr. D is the best. Oh, I tell you, I'm a brethren, long time brother. Papa and mother. Yeah. Look good, man. We have the passage left and the outside cantilever. As we progress, I'll show you what's up. Later, guys.
Watch yourself.
Pulling down the decking in the passage area. Yeah, we're pulling out all the shores, the reinforcement poles. Yeah, man. As we go along, I'll show you the progress later. Later, guys. So far, so good. All the two side piece of the decking came off so far. It's just the top left. The top section is left to come down. Yeah, man. When that's finished, I'll show you guys how it looks. Later, a quick look at the end result of after we pulled on the decking. This is how it looks. Yeah, man. The passageway is completely pulled down. Good to go. Nice. We're pulling off the second to last piece of form, the outside piece. Yeah, as we progress, I'll show you again later, guys. We was doing the side inside there, but it's kind of getting late, so we're trying to see if we can hurry up and do the outside piece here, because you know it's harder to work with, so we're trying to get this done before the night comes. Let's see how far we can reach. Catch you later, guys. Here again, YouTube. This part of the decking is very dangerous. I can't wait till it comes down. You have to be extra careful, extra careful. Considering where he is, the height and the weight of the plyboard, you know, have to be very careful. It's
She has to take his time. Yeah. As we go along, I'll show you what is what later. Yeah guys, we still at it. Still at it. Doug is trying his best to see if we can pull off the whole thing. Let's see if it's gonna come down. He's shaking. Yeah! Yeah! It dropped. Finally! It look good, it look good, it look good. Yeah man. Guys, thanks for watching. It's been a long day. We're gonna end it right here. This has been part 5 of building my dream home. See you guys in the next one. Later guys.